इस कहानी के सारे जितने भी कैरेक्टर्स हैं, दे आर फिक्शनल एंड दे हैव नथिंग टू डू विद रियलिटी, nothing to do with Dharmendra Pradhan or Sonam Wangchuk, or all the advices that I'm telling you will be helpful in case you have to protest in some Congress or opposition-led government. So nothing to do with tomorrow's protest. I'm very happy with the current government. No problem at all. So there are 5 things that you should take care of while you are going for a protest. The first thing is keep your phones fully charged and try to record everything, of course, for real purposes. Not that you might need it later on to provide evidence. उन सब के लिए नहीं, just for fun and real purposes, good memories के लिए. Second thing is take care of your skin. Cover your face with a mask, wear a sunglasses, अच्छे से sunscreen लगाओ, just for skin purposes. Not that you might not be very comfortable with revealing your identity. उससे इसका लेना देना नहीं है. Just so that your skin doesn't get damaged, और ऐसा होता है ना कि दिल्ली में आजकल बहुत pollution है. So for that purpose. Third is carry adequate amount of food and water with you because हमें भूख बहुत लगती है. Not that you getting detained or you might be like ऐसे आज़ाद मैदान में रख देंगे, ऐसा नहीं. Not for that. Just so that you can do your regular munchings. The fourth one, probably the most important one, stay calm, stay composed, don't get into an argument. Not that somebody is trying to provoke you or there are people in such protests who will try to provoke you constantly. I'm not talking about that. Just in general, staying calm and composed and peaceful is very important. Fifth one, and possibly the most important one, a lawyer friend in need is a lawyer friend indeed. Always have contact of some lawyer. Because sometimes in life, in general, you might get detained or you might need to know your rights. So it is always helpful and nothing to do the fact that you might be arrested or you might be detained. So yeah, these are general advisories. Again, nothing to do with tomorrow's protest. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.